Hey guys! In today's video, we're checking out Filmora's AI Extend feature. Do you ever feel like your clip is too short, ends too fast, or cuts off awkwardly? Don't worry, with Filmora's AI Extend, you can stretch your clip by up to 8 extra seconds. Alright, let's get started. First, create a new project. Import the clip you want to extend. Select the clip, then click on this icon. Make sure to click it only once. If there's a box around it, it means it's currently active. Now just drag the end of the clip. You can extend it up to 8 seconds max. Drag it to the length you like, and when you're good with it, just let go. When you let go, a window will pop up. Here, Filmora asks you to write a prompt describing your scene. And remember, you're not limited to what's already in the video. You can add new elements too. For example, I'm going to add cherry blossoms. Below the prompt, you'll see the camera movement options. You can choose movements like static shot, zoom out, pan right, and more. You can also choose the output resolution, like 720 pixels or 1080 pixels. Just keep in mind that your choices affect how many AI credits you'll use. Once you're happy with everything, click Generate. It'll take a while to generate. You can see the progress here. It's done. Let's see the results. Is your audio clip too short? You can also extend your audio clips too. Just do the same exact steps as before. Now click on this icon. Then drag the end of the audio clip to make it longer. And that's it. Super simple. Now, let's hear how it sounds. Alright, that's it for today. I hope this breakdown of AI Extend tool helped you level up your workflow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what AI feature you want me to cover next.